Enjoy the view today as I pressure wash the north side of the house. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to Bob's Bites of Life. Thanks. It's April 11th, and today's project is to pressure wash this side of the house with these lovely azaleas over here. But I have my gas pressure washer and my big long pole that Charlotte got me many years ago. So we're going to tackle this project. It's after 11 o'clock on Saturday morning, so let's get cracking at this. Okay, so another 30 minutes of spraying. I think I've just about got the top done. I know it's not perfect, but you can tell where it's been cleaned and hasn't been cleaned, so I think we're doing pretty well today. It's probably getting close to 80 degrees, so it'll be time to stop pretty soon. We do the lower half, but at least we're mostly in the shade today, so that's good. Yep. I'll give it a little break for a few minutes and then come back. Plus I ran out of fuel. Well, here's the finished product. I think I did rather well. It's a little bit before 2 o'clock. We started at 11. I think we took about 3 breaks, but yep, I'm quite pleased with it. Got the hoses letting the water run out of them, and letting the pressure washer cool down. But I know the top part I got as best I could, but looks real good around the windows now. I consider this a completed project for this spring day. Hope you enjoyed the view.